Hello. So here's the deal. I don't know if any of you had any exhaust smells in your cabin on this. This is a 92 Miata. And I chased down, pulled off the cover off the heat shield off the exhaust manifold and checked the pipes. Nothing's leaking exhaust. But I've had this every once in a while, definite pure whiff of carbon dioxide in my cabin, which is not good. So recently, as you can see, I did the radiator hoses, and look what happened over here. I'm running blue LED in my cabin, so let me just get you a peek there. Look at that. It's straight through. So this ring on these heater hoses is faulty, or it's old, or it's weathered, or it's something. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and back these hoses off. I'm going to put some RTV into the rings of the around them, and then jam the hoses back into the RTV, and then bolt them down and run it for a while so it generates heat and firms up the RTV, and then go on a test drive and see if I smell any more carbon dioxide in the cabin. So easy fix. I just came across this while I was doing my heater hose and wanted to share it. So it's just wide open in there. I'm sure that's the problem now. So hope this helps. Okay, this is a follow-up on the heater hose repair I did with, I think I said blue RTV, with black RTV. As you can see, if I stand in front of the light, there's my blue LEDs, interior lights are not bleeding through. And then just so you can see, it was messy. You see kind of how it turned out. It's sealed very good. You can wiggle the hoses and there's no problem. It stretches with the hoses. So I am not really getting any carbon dioxide in the cabin now. There may be a slight trace. I got to keep testing it, but it seems way better. This was wide open. Engine compartment going right into the cabin. So very important too. Check that out on your own, and it's an easy fix. So what I do after I apply it is I run the motor, put on the heater and the vent, and heat up the heater hoses to lock in the seal, let it sit for an hour or two. And then found out that using a Q-tip is much better than your finger painting with the stuff, because it stains your skin and it's very messy. So Q-tip, I did about 2.5 coats, 3 coats to fully get around there. And seems to be sealed up, and no carbon dioxide coming into my cabin when I put on the vent anymore. So definitely worked. That was the problem, and it's a simple solution. I think everybody has black RTV laying around if you work on your car. So there you have it.